You guys leave me the nicest comments. You're like, Jen, you're mom goals. Jen, you are such an inspiration. Jen, you have it all together. And I'm here to tell you that sometimes I don't. In fact, a lot of times I don't. Today's one of those days. We're at Aldi and it is 6:40 on a week. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have needed groceries for probably the past 5 days and we've just been limping along at home because I've been so busy and I've been putting it off. I should have just put in a grocery order, but I thought tonight I would go to Aldi's while the kids are in swim practice. So I'm gonna take you in there with me. I think they have some new fun finds this week, so we'll see what we can find, and then when I get home, I'll share it with you everything that I got. They actually have strawberries for $1.99 right now. That's crazy. I mean, they don't look like the greatest, but they're still really good. I know for a fact we're out of cucumbers, so I'm gonna grab one of these. Hopefully one that's not bruised. Earlier this week, I made this loaded cauliflower bake that was so good. I wanna make it again, so I'm gonna grab a head of this. It's $2.49 each. This is actually kind of cool. They have like balsamic vinegar, white wine vinegar, red wine vinegar. In fact, I think I'm gonna get some red wine vinegar. I can't talk because I'm all out of that, but it's kind of neat that they have that here. Ooh, I'm gonna get some of these little dill pickles. So these are like on sale this week here at Aldi. This one, lemon buttercream, that smells very gross. I smelled the beechwood sage and the agave blossom, and those two smell really good. These are $2.49 each, so I might get a couple. I just like having a small candle in the bathroom. I also smelled this one, cereal milkshake. Do not recommend. Oh, look at this. They have, what is this? Oh, it's pajamas. Look, they have a rainbow pattern. Oh, that's cute. They also have the larger candles for $4.50. It says sugar palm. Oh no, that doesn't smell good. And they have wax melts too. They also have these baking pan sets for $12.99. Which, oh my god, that's heavy. I actually think that's a pretty good deal. These are super heavy baking pans. And then this interested me also. I'm not gonna get it, but they have these giant cake pans, which I think are really cool. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you guys because there's a bunch of people over there, but Aldi has sewing machines this week. They're like $69 for a Singer sewing machine, which actually is a pretty good price. And it's a good brand. I'm gonna get some cheese. Do you guys remember these tricked me the last time I was here? I saw them and I was like, oh, peanut butter pretzels. Those are really good at Trader Joe's. And I grabbed them because I was in a hurry, and they're actually almond butter filled. They're still good, but honestly, they're not quite as good as the peanut butter ones. I always love looking at the frozen stuff too because they have such neat like seasonal items. Where's this? Everything Frank's in a blanket. Oh, like little hot dogs. I'm gonna have to try those. All right, what do you guys think about this? Like pre-cooked chicken fajita meat. I don't even know if it's really even seasoned with like fajita seasoning. It just says spices, but I don't know. I'm always leery about buying like pre-cooked chicken like this just because I don't know if it's gonna be like chewy. Every time I have been here, these have tempted me, but I know I would be the only one to eat them. Well, actually Adam might eat them. I doubt the kids would because they don't really like cooked spinach. Neither do I for that matter, but it would probably be good in here, but I can make my own at home. I just see it every time I'm in here and I'm like, oh, that looks good. Oh, look at this. Pulled pork, spicy classic. I still have a crap load of pulled pork in my freezer from my mom's funeral in December, so I don't need any of that. In fact, I should probably get some out and cook it sometime soon. So normally if I want to get like chicken nuggets or something, I'll get, they have like the honey battered chicken nuggets here, and then they have chicken fries, but they've been out of them for the past several weeks, which is sad. All right, so before we get to the grocery haul, I want to thank Wink for sponsoring today's video. I worked with Wink last year and I'm super excited to be working with them again this year because they are a great service that really takes the guesswork out of buying wine, and it's just one less thing that I have to do at the grocery store. You guys know my life is super busy, and I love that their selections are so personalized. One question I get sometimes on my videos is how to choose different wines, especially if you're not familiar with all of the different kinds and what you like. But I would encourage you to try Winc, because what you can do is start with a really fun 1-minute quiz on their website. You basically will tell them your taste preferences and what kind of food you like to eat, what flavors you like, and Winc will recommend 4 bottles per month that match with your tastes. This really takes the intimidation out of trying new wine, and it's super fun. We love doing this for like an at-home date night. It's super fun to try new wines that we haven't gotten to try before. And if you already know what kind of wine you like, they have tons of different ones to choose from, no matter what your lifestyle or dietary needs are. They also have a large selection of red, white, and sparkling, so there is something for everyone. Some of the best parts about Winc are that there are no membership fees. You can skip any month and cancel any time. They will also replace any bottle that you don't absolutely love, which I think is totally awesome. And there are some membership perks, like you get early access to new releases, special discounts if you want to buy a case, and discounts with other brand partners. So if you guys want to try out Winc, I highly recommend it. You can check out the link in the description box below. They have a new member special of 4 bottles for just $29.95, and to top it off, shipping is already included. That is honestly a fantastic deal. 4 bottles for $29.95. That's like, what, less than $8 a bottle? Yeah, you cannot beat this. And honestly, as I was going through Aldi tonight and going up and down the wine aisle, you can't even get a good bottle of wine at Aldi for less than $8. So once again, click below in the description box to get the new member special. 4 bottles of wine for just $29.95, and to top it off, shipping is included. Thanks as always for your support when I do sponsorships. Definitely check out that link and get yourself some wine. All right, so I'm back from the store. Here is everything that I got. I spent around $170, which again, we don't have to talk about how expensive groceries have gotten. I feel like I used to be able to get a lot more, and I hardly ever really went over $150 when I went to Aldi. But anyway, I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I did get some cutie oranges. These have been quite good lately, and they're super easy to throw in the kids' lunch boxes. I bought some, I think last time I was at either Walmart or Aldi, and we've gone through almost all of them. I like getting them at Aldi. They're the least expensive place to get them, other than Walmart, unless they're on sale. So got a bag of those. I got some iceberg lettuce just for tacos or sandwiches or salads, whatever I want to use it for. I told you guys I picked up the cauliflower for that cauliflower bake. I can link that recipe down below, and if you haven't seen it already, you'll be seeing it in a what's for dinner video. It's really, really good. I did get one of these chopped kits. This one is the Thai and cashews. It's really good. I sometimes eat this for lunch, and I will sometimes put like grilled salmon or chicken with it, but it's also just really good on its own. I also like to add cilantro to it because I think that gives it a really good flavor. I got a cucumber just to have for salads and cut up for raw vegetables. Some bell peppers. I got the red and yellow ones. I want to try and do like some cut up veggies and dip in the fridge so we can have that for the next few days. I got some cherry tomatoes for salads and snacking, and then I saw that they had jalapenos on sale, and I have some cream cheese in the refrigerator to use up. Plus I also have some bacon. If you guys watched, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, I think they had this like really huge meat sale at Hy-Vee, and they had like these huge boxes of bacon that you could buy. They ended up being like less than $3 a pound or something like that. I can't remember the exact price. Anyway, I have a bunch of bacon to use up now, and obviously I put a lot of it in the freezer, but that will be for those. And then I also got some limes. We were all out of those and needed more. I always like to keep lemons and limes on hand just for drinks or for recipes also. I got some tomatoes for sandwiches. Again, we have bacon to use, so might make some BLTs. I got 2 pounds of strawberries. Like I said, they didn't look, actually they don't look too bad. A couple of them look pale and they're probably kind of hard, but you know, $1.99 a pound is a really good price for winter strawberries, so got those. I also got some half and half for coffee, and then some milk for recipes and cereal and whatever. I also got some cheese. We were totally out of block cheese, so I got a block of Colby Jack Jack and a block of sharp cheddar. And then we're also all out of American cheese, and I always like to keep this on hand for grilled cheese. So I got some of that. And then I also grabbed some blue cheese. I don't think I've ever tried this kind before from Aldi, but I thought this would be good for a homemade blue cheese dressing on some salads. And then we needed sliced cheese for sandwiches as well. So I got some pepper jack and I got some sharp cheddar cheese. This kind Kira likes on her sandwiches. I got some shredded cheddar just because we were all out of this as well, and it's something I always like to keep on hand because one meal that I always make if I need like an emergency dinner and I haven't meal planned is tacos. Oops, that's upside down. I also got some roasted turkey breast. This is $2.99 for half a pound, and it's pretty good turkey. Kira really likes that for wraps and sandwiches. And then they had these Never Any, it's the Aldi brand Lunchables on sale. These have turkey cheese and little like chocolate Teddy Grahams in there. So the kids really like those for snacks, and sometimes I put them in their lunch as well. I also got some butter. I think I have enough in the fridge right now, but I always like to keep a backup in the freezer just to make sure that I don't run out if I want to do baking or something like that. I got some of these green pea crisps. I think I'm going to keep these upstairs in my office as a snack. It's been a long time since I've had these, and I know that they have like a brand name of these. I think they're called like Snap Peas or something like that, so I'm assuming this is just the Aldi brand of those. I also got some Panera broccoli cheddar soup. They've still had this at my Aldi, which is kind of neat, and I like to have this for lunch every once in a while. I haven't purchased these in a while. These are the Danimal smoothie, the Valentine's ones. So I got these for Connor. He really likes those, so I can put those in his lunches. And then this was in like the special buys section, these strawberry mousse little cups. I thought Kira would like these. She likes the Jello cheesecake cups, so I thought she might want to try those. I got 2 dozen of the free range eggs. I normally like to keep an extra dozen in the garage refrigerator just to make sure I don't run out, because I've been in a situation before where I'm trying to bake something and all of a sudden I don't have any eggs. It's kind of annoying. So I always try to keep extra on hand, and I've literally never thrown eggs away. We've always always gone through them before they go bad. So I also got some red wine vinegar just because I don't have any on hand. I remembered that because I had a recipe a couple weeks ago that I was making that called for red wine vinegar, and I realized I didn't have any, so I got a bottle of that. We needed some more barbecue sauce, and our Aldi carries the Sweet Baby Ray's, so I got a bottle of that. I don't know if these are new, but I've never noticed them before at Aldi. These are the Simply Nature granola bars. So this one is chocolate chip and the other one is vanilla chip. So I got these just to have on hand for the kids' snacks. They always take a snack to school. Kira really doesn't eat breakfast in the morning, so a lot of times when she goes to school, I'll send her with the granola bar and a bottle of water just to have something in her stomach. So got those, and then I got this half loaf of Hawaiian bread. This is really good, and I actually like that it's half a loaf because then you don't have like a huge loaf of it laying around. And this is something that Connor really likes for toast, so I got that. I think I showed you guys this in the store, but I got some dill pickles. Connor actually likes these wrapped in ham. I might actually do those for his lunch tomorrow. I've been kind of trying to figure out different things I can pack in his lunch. He gets tired of just sandwiches all the time. So like this week I had extra taco meat one day, so I made him like a walking taco, and one day we had like noodles and meatballs for dinner, so I gave him that in a thermos. So I've just been trying to figure out different things for him. And then I also got some refried beans. I have not purchased canned refried beans in a while. I feel like I've been making them either homemade in the Instant Pot or just from canned pinto beans, but I remember that Kira really likes bean burritos, so I ended up getting these. And then I also got some of the kind of larger flour tortillas so she can make some bean burritos if she wants. I got some wheat bread. This is pretty good bread from Aldi, and that's what I normally get for sandwiches and stuff, so I got that. I did get some of the frozen items, like the seasonal items that they had this week. So I got one chicken lo mein. I don't know how many servings this has in it, probably 2. Yeah. So that'll be a quick lunch for us maybe one day this coming week. And then Kira really likes, well, both kids really like the chicken pot stickers, so I got 2 bags of those. They're a pretty good price. My kids love buttered egg noodles, so I got some of those just to have for a side dish whenever we want them. And then I also got some applesauce. This brand from Aldi is no added sugar and it comes in the pouches, so it's really nice to pack in lunches. And this one is the apple cinnamon. I got some extra cheesy Cheez-Its. I don't think I've ever had this kind before. I know I've had like the extra toasty, but I've never had the extra cheesy, so I thought we'd try those. And then I also got some trail mix. This I got to put in the kids' bags for a snack, or I know Kira likes it as well, and so she can have that for breakfast if she wants. I got some of these breakfast biscuits. These are comparable to the Belvita. This one's cranberry orange. I don't think I've ever tried the Aldi brand before, so we'll have to see how we like those. And then you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these Elevation energy bars are comparable to Cliff bars, and Kira really likes those for breakfast, so I got these for her. They had a couple different flavors. One was like a peanut butter oat, another one was white chocolate macadamia, and this one was chocolate chip, so I thought she would like that one the most. I got some mochi. This is the sweet mango. The kids will eat these in a couple of days, and that's all they get, but they like that as a treat, so I got those. I got some of the bagel bites. I've told you guys about these before from Aldi. They are just as good as the name brand, and they're a lot cheaper. This was also a seasonal item, this Boom Boom shrimp. I thought that Adam and I could try that. Actually, this would be good with that chopped salad kit that I got for lunch, so that's a good idea. And then I also got these everything pigs in a blanket, or Franks in a blanket, I guess. It says there's a minimum of 12 francs, so there could be 13 in there. Holy cow. Anyway, I don't know, I thought they just looked interesting, so we'll try those. And then they also had these smoothie packs. So this one is a protein smoothie. It's blueberry, banana, and it's got some whey protein in there. So I thought I would get this for Kira because she actually likes to make her own smoothies, and this is something super simple. She can just add it to the blender with like some almond milk, and bam, got a quick smoothie. I saw that they had these dog treats, the dental chews. These are kind of like greenies, I guess. So I got those for Murphy. I didn't realize there was only 4 in there, which isn't really a lot, but whatever. And then I showed you guys these candles. I got a couple of these. So I got the Beechwood Sage and the Agave Blossom. And then we're running low on laundry detergent. I really probably need to go to Sam's Club soon, or Costco, whichever one I decide to go to. We've been having swim meets every weekend, so my weekends are consumed with that, but maybe next weekend I can go to Sam's and get some more laundry detergent. But I just kind of got this to tie us over. They had, or hold us over. I don't know if tie us over is the correct form of speech. Anyway, they had this and they had Tide, but the Gain is always cheaper, and I think it works out just as good. I love how it smells, so I got that. And then last but not least, I got this 4-tier kind of like shoe rack. I'm trying to show you guys it without the glare. I've been looking for something like this actually to put in my closet to store some of my shoes, especially like the shoes that I wear for work. Like when I work from home, I'm obviously not like putting dress shoes on. And so if I'm not like traveling for work, a lot of times my shoes just like sit around in a pile on my closet floor. And I want to work on organizing my closet in the next couple of weeks. So I thought this was a good deal. It's only $12.99. So I'll ask Adam to put that together for me. But that is what I got at Aldi this week. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on today's grocery haul. Happy Valentine's Day. And don't forget to check out Wink. I'll have that link in the description box below, where you can get 4 bottles of wine for just $29.95 with free shipping. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.